It's Justin Hawk Smith, man, with YouTube in London, Kentucky. Woo!
These Lasfit LEDs are insane. It's like daytime in here. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Justin Hawk Smith channel. In today's video, we're gonna be installing LED headlight bulbs, turn signal bulbs, I think like some parking lot bulbs. I don't know. I got a combo kit that comes with like a bunch of LEDs, interior as well, for the Jeep JK. So you'll just check it out. This will be linked in the description box down below, and I also have a discount code. HAWK15 will get you 15% off your order. Lasfit is the company, so you can go to Lasfit's website and check out all of the products. Whether you have a Jeep or not, they probably make LEDs for your ride. Never had a problem out of them. Super, super bright, and they always fit amazing. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video and start switching some of these bulbs out. I'm gonna try to get like half of the Jeep done, and then I'll turn on all the lights and kind of have like half of it on, half of it would be factory, and half of it would be LED. Packaging is always top tier, super good quality boxes and packaging. I think these are headlights and these are fog lights, or vice versa. Oh yeah, see, look at that packaging. Awesome, awesome packaging. These things are gonna be intense. Yeah, never seen any with connectors like that. I actually don't know if I got fog lights, because these say that they're switchbacks. So I'm not sure if these are the fog lights, and the fog lights will also be switchback. I'll try to figure this out. So as far as removing the grille to get to the headlights, super easy. It's pretty much toolless, but I like to have one of these crowfoot claws. It's pretty much just these little plastic pieces. So you pretty much just put this under here and pull that up, but not all the way out. Well, you can pull it all the way out, it won't hurt anything, but you don't have to. You just have to get it high enough to where this will come out. That's what I was trying to do on the other side. Now that we have all those push clips out, you want to go in here and pull back on this red piece and then press in on the tab, and you can unplug these parking lights down here. Turn signal parking lights, whatever you want to call it. Do that on both sides, and then the grille is ready to pull off. All right, so after you've removed all of the push clips off of the top of the grille, it's gonna feel pretty loose. Pull out on it and you'll feel it. It'll feel like you might break it, but you won't. So right here on the back side, you'll be able to see those clips. There's also a clip right there above each plug. Now that we have the grille out, we can switch these bulbs that are in here. So this comes out of the grille. This was the plug that you unplugged. It'll just twist out, and then we can remove this bulb. Now we're gonna take a T15 Torx. It's like a star bit, T15. Take out these bolts around the headlight housing. There'll be this little red connector in here. You'll slide that back. That little red piece slides back, and now you can press in and unplug. Now you have your Lasfit bulb installed. You just twist the old one out and then twist the new one in. So this will plug right into here, and then slide this connector back down. Put all of the lights off in the shop. This is my phone. We're gonna go ahead and turn these lights on. Whoa, that is so much brighter. Look, the light is flowing all the way out to there, and you can just tell that the beam right there in the middle is so much brighter. So just by looking at them in person, look at that. You can see how dim this one is, and look at how bright the Lasfit one is. So much brighter. And it should be dark by the time I get this video done. So next we're gonna go ahead and install the fog lights. We have another little push clip right here, and one push clip right there, and then this panel right here will come off. These may confuse you how to get them out, but you unplug the plug on the back of it. There's just a push tab, and then you actually squeeze these. It's much easier to understand with it removed from the vehicle, and then pull straight out on it. So check out these Lasfit LEDs compared to the factory lights. Lasfit absolutely blows me away with their fog lights. I swear, guys, these things are almost like headlight bulbs. They are so bright, and I love the fog lights. On camera, it looks like it's just a hair different of color, but I promise you, in person, the color temperature matches perfectly. Okay, so I just now tried to install the reverse lights, and I went back and looked at my invoice, and I accidentally ordered the wrong one. So thankfully the headlights and the fog lights fit, but I reached back out to Lasfit, and they're gonna get the correct ones on the way for me. So huge shout out to Lasfit for that. So we're gonna get the turn signals on the way. They ended up being the wrong size, and then the reverse lights ended up being the wrong size. No big deal on that. We are gonna go ahead and jump to Dart. The new tail lights that I got, the reverse light is like a motherboard and it's made into the light. So really I just need those turn signal bulbs, so we'll get those on the way and get those put in, and I'll probably just throw that in a video later and show you guys how bright these things are at nighttime. Let's go. These Lasfit LEDs are so bright on the inside. It's like daytime in here. So awesome. This is without fog lights. I'm gonna do, right here is just headlights, low beam. Right there is headlights, high beam. So you can kind of see the difference right there. Light just goes further, it's just as full, just a little bit brighter and throws it a little bit further. And then right here is low beams, and I'll turn on the fog lights. Boom. So fog lights make a pretty big difference right there. And then if you turn them off and then back on, then they actually turn yellow. So they're a switchback white fog light. So you can make them white or yellow just using the turn signal, or like your knob. So if I turn them off, wait a couple seconds, turn them back on, they're back to white. So now that they're white, I just literally turn off the fog lights, wait about a second, and turn them back on, and they turn yellow. So really, really cool to have both like that. I absolutely love these headlight bulbs, and I love the fog light bulbs. And then the switchback turn signals, we got those in there as well. So this bulb down here is white as a running light. Go ahead and hit the turn signal, and it doesn't hyper flash. It's CAN bus ready, and it blinks orange, but it also stays white while it's blinking orange. So that's really, really sick. As far as the interior lights goes, right here is just the interior lights. This is in a 2-door, so it's literally just these lights up top, and it lights up the front and back seat beautifully, the entire dash and everything. These interior lights, they are bright. You can see the headlights, of course. So huge shout out to Lasfit. They make awesome, awesome bulbs, and they are so bright. Thanks for watching, guys. Tuned in for another Jeep JK video. I really appreciate it. Always remember, everybody starts out as a nobody. I'll see you on the next one. Everything in this video will be linked in the description box down below. Peace. Also, discount code. Use my discount code, save some money on Lasfit. Let's go.